your YouTube channel is not growing, getting low views, and stuck with few subscribers, you are not alone. The truth is, you are probably making a few mistakes that are stopping your growth here on YouTube. In this video, I'll be showing you why your channel is not growing and how to fix it very fast. Firstly, we need to talk about your niche. What are you passionate about? Identify what excites you and has an audience here on YouTube. Remember, consistency is the key. Then a focused channel attracts organic audience here on YouTube. An algorithm will be able to push your video very fast. Secondly, creating engaging content. Your video needs to be engaging and provide values. If you're creating a content here on YouTube, you need to create an engaging content. Then you need to think of unique ideas and formats that will captivate your audience here on YouTube. Start with a strong hook in the first 10 seconds to grab attention here on YouTube. This is one thing that you need to do very well. Don't forget to use high quality visuals and sound when you are creating your content. It matters a lot because if you create an engaging content, algorithm will be able to push your videos and you generate a lot of views and subscribers. Try this hook and thank you later. Thirdly, optimize your video very well. Use relevant keyword in your videos. Use relevant keyword in your title, your description, and your tag. When you have a very good title, it attracts audience on your channel. A good description attracts audience. Then a good tag attracts audience. Depending on the topic you are teaching, depending on the niche you are teaching. So get a good tag and a good description on your channel. This title is crucial for SEO. Yes, you need an SEO title, an SEO description, an SEO tag. Create an eye-catchy thumbnail because they are the first thing that viewers see here on YouTube. Your thumbnail needs to be very catchy. Yes, you need to create a catchy thumbnail because when people see your thumbnail, that's what push them to watch your video. If you create a high catchy thumbnail, even algorithm, before they push your video, if you have a very good title, you have a good description, and your tags are okay, then your thumbnail, number one is the thumbnail. You need to create a very good thumbnail so that algorithm will push your video to the rightful audience. And also create an A/B testing. YouTube brought out this platform in YouTube Studio, A/B testing. In that A/B test, you can create about 3 thumbnails and 3 topics to know the particular one that is going viral, to know the best that is going well on your video. So create an A/B testing. Fourthly, engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Ask for feedback. Yes, it's very important. Then create polls to involve your viewers. And also consider collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche. Collaborating with other YouTubers does not only introduce you to new audience, it also creates an exciting content as well. Finally, analyze your performance. Use YouTube analysis to analyze your performance to see what is working and what is not working. It's very important. And again, pay attention to your watch time, pay attention to your CTR and audience retention. These things are very important so you can be able to see what you need to fix on your channel. You can be able to know that, oh, this channel is not doing well, I need to do this, or this channel is doing well. It will encourage you more on YouTube to keep creating content. And don't forget, I remember I told you that consistency is the key on this YouTube growth. This YouTube growth, me and you are suffering to grow here. So consistency is the key. Yes. So if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Tutor Glush. Don't be afraid to adapt all these strategies on your channel. And if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tutor Glush for more YouTube growth tips. So anytime I post any amazing video, YouTube will notify you. So see you in my next video. Bye.